And today is gagawa ko ng potato salad. Ayan na yung mga ingredients. Itong boiled egg at itong celery, onions at pickle. And ito is yung mustard. Nalagay ko na dyan. Hindi ko pala na video. So, ayan yung mayonnaise, mustard, at saka garlic powder at sugar. So, ayan. So, i-ano lang natin dyan. And then, i-ano lang natin. I-halo. I-halo lang ng ganyan. I-halo lang natin siya. And then, i-add natin tong potatoes. And then, yung onions. And then, add lang natin to. Diyan. Yung celery at saka yung onion at pickle. And then, add lang din natin tong boiled egg. Si husband is sabi niya gumawa ko ng marami at gusto niya ito. So ayan, i-mix lang natin. I think I need more need ko ng more na sauce. At naparami yata itong gawa ko. Masarap to pa pero malamig. So ayan, i-add lang natin ng ito. And then salt. Ihalo lang natin. Ayaw kasi ni husband ng maraming mayo. Ay. Ayaw ni husband ng maraming mayo. So,
close the windows.
oh, that's fine.
It's not too hot in here.
No.
Close to the little window thing.
And that's it. My potato salad is ready.